Nice ember. So I've got some new ivy. This ivy as you can see, it's very uniform in colour and very creamy coloured, light coloured. And this is a piece that I cut from fresh ivy and dried, and it's rubbish. And since watching that Paul Kirtley video I posted on the group yesterday or the day before, I've been out and collected myself a piece of dead standing ivy which has reached the point where it's actually started to decay. I don't know if you can see that, but there's quite a bit of discoloration. Here's a piece, this is the piece, the other half of that, with the bark still on it. And it's, I mean, that's the first attempt I've had. And it was a pretty easy ember, to be honest. Nice pile of dust. And I think that's the thing I've been struggling with for such a long time, is that you've got to collect the correct ivy. I mean, you can collect your elder spindles green and dry them, but the ivy you've got to get from a dead standing, and I would imagine it's got to be dead for about 6 months probably, I don't know, maybe longer. This, it's very easy to put a nail mark in it. This stuff, not so easy. So as you can see, scratch marks and a faint scratch mark there, but I had to press it really hard. And I have used ivy that's been brown rather than cream, and I think Festal, I think I gave Fest a piece, and he was very successful with it, and we've both been using fresh ivy and failing for months. So